Have you ever lost your keys in the dark and suddenly the whole house feels stressful? You bump into things, you get irritated, until finally you turn on the light and everything makes sense again. In today's gospel, Jesus speaks about light. He says, a lamp is not meant to be hidden under a basket or under a bed. It is meant to be placed on a lampstand so it can help people see. Jesus is talking about our faith. Our faith is not meant to be hidden, not only for Sundays, not only inside the church, but for everyday life. Your light may be simple, a kind word when someone is tired, patience when it is hard, forgiveness even when it hurts. Jesus reminds us today, even a small light can brighten a dark room. So let your light shine where you are, as you are, and trust that God will do the rest. Amen.